In less than a week, roughly 600 nurses at Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children will be on strike, and the hospital has said it will lock out the nurses until a new contract is reached. Our Jai Cunningham joins us live now outside of Kapiolani with the latest. Jai.
Hey, Mika. Yeah, you know what? We are outside and we're on the sidewalk, and we're literally, as you said, next Friday at 7 a.m. there are going to be hundreds of nurses on these sidewalks picketing. It was back in January when they had a 1-week picket where they kind of walked off the job. The negotiations have been going on for more than a year, trying to get a new contract in place. Earlier this week, Hawaii Pacific Health, who ends up running Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children, they're the umbrella company that runs the hospital. Earlier this week, they said they're going to lock out the employees. Come Saturday, 7 a.m., the nurses that go on strike are going to get locked out. So we asked today, that seems retaliatory, and here's what the hospital had to say, as well as the Nurses Association.
The lockout is not retaliatory. We are merely exercising our rights to come to an agreement for our nurses. We have tried everything to avoid this, and we will continue to negotiate in good faith and move this forward to avoid this from occurring.
We're still going to stand out there with our signs so everybody kind of understands when we have the no retaliation signs. And a little bit more about our unfair labor practice on the strike is that, retaliation when we were filling out safe staffing forms just to identify safe staffing issues is, definitely important to us.
Yeah, so they are still at loggerheads here. The negotiations have been going on for more than a year. Some of the issues, pay, but also staffing and how many patients to nurses, that sort of ratio, how that goes. There's nothing set as far as the next bargaining date, but both sides are open to setting some sort of a date in the coming days. So we will, of course, continue to follow this and keep you updated. This is obviously one of the top hospitals. It's one of the busiest hospitals, especially when it comes to childbirth and when it comes to women and children's care. And we'll keep you updated and, of course, bring you the very latest on Island News. From Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children, Jai Cunningham, Island News.